Hey y'all, it's SharonB, Life by SharonB. And today, I'm about to break down 5 crazy easy ways you can make $500 in just one day. No degree, no experience, and you can start almost immediately. And listen, people are out here quietly making serious money with these methods. So if you stick with me until the end, I'm also going to feature other creators who found insane paying gigs you might not even know exist. And I'll drop their info so you can check them out too. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss my daily uploads. First up is Poplin, formerly known as Sudshare. This is a laundry service app where you wash, dry, and fold clothes for people in your area. It might not sound glamorous, but listen, people are charging $1 per pound of laundry, and with big orders, you can knock out 200 plus in a single day. Stack 2 or 3 orders in one day and you're looking at $500 fast. All you need is a washer, dryer, detergent, and some free time. The app handles all the scheduling and payments, so you can just focus on getting the job done. Next is CaterCow, perfect for anyone who's comfortable with food handling and delivery. This platform connects you with catering orders for offices, events, and parties. Unlike food delivery apps that pay small amounts per trip, CaterCow orders can be 150, 300 pluzzers each. Do 2 in one day and you're already close to $500. You'll need reliable transportation and a way to keep food secure during delivery, but this one is in high demand, especially in larger cities. Tharfurter 3, solid gigs or contra. 1. If you've got skills like writing, social media management, graphic design, or virtual assistance, you can use solid gigs or contra to land quick freelance jobs that pay big. The cool part is that these sites filter out low-paying gigs and show you only the ones worth your time. Like $250 for a social media post, $300 for a blog article, or $500 for a quick website update. Even if you've never freelanced before, you can offer simple services like Canva design, research, or proofreading and still earn great money. Number 4, Facebook Marketplace Flips. This one's super underrated. Head to Facebook Marketplace or your local thrift stores, find undervalued items, and flip them for profit, same day. People are making $100, $200 profit per item, especially with furniture, appliances, or trending electronics. You could grab a free couch someone just wants gone, clean it up, list it for $150, sell it the same day, and do that 3 or 4 times in one weekend. Last up is user testing, a site that pays you to test websites, apps, and digital products. You'll record yourself navigating through a site or app while giving feedback. No tech degree required. Pay ranges from $10 to $60 per test, and some specialized tests pay $120 for less than an hour of your time. Stack several tests in a single day and you can hit that $500 goal without ever leaving your house. Sponsor shoutout, Black Girl Vitamins. Before we wrap, big shout out to today's sponsor, Black Girl Vitamins. Their supplements are made for us: hair, energy, iron, and overall wellness. Use my code SharonB45 for 20% off your order. And yes, that works with my referral link in the description. And before you go, don't forget to check out my Life by SharonB merch shop. I've got fresh designs and motivational gear, and you can check the website for current deals. Stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm adding some amazing creators with their own high-paying gig tips. I'll leave their info from TikTok so you can check them out too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make that money, y'all.
A Auto is hiring for chat and email representatives, so this position is non-phone. They have a $1,500 sign-on bonus as well as a couple of different shifts that you can choose from for this position. They don't have the pay listed, but here is a brief overview of what you will be expecting to be doing if you get hired for this role. If you're interested in applying for this position, just click the link in my bio to find the application. And I also have a resume template available for this position. Check and comment on this post once you've applied.
Okay, if I were y'all, I would run and go apply to this company. I used to work for this company. Amazing company, great pay, provide all the equipment. And they just really hold their people down. The name of the company is Lincoln Financial, and my whole process took about just a week from applying to getting my offer letter. Literally a week, with the weekend included. So definitely a couple of days. The company is Lincoln Financial. The name of the position is Short-Term Disability Claims Specialist. The pay is from $22 to $30 an hour, of course, depending on your experience. And like I said, they provide all the equipment. Monitors, laptop, keyboard, mouse, headset, cords, extra cords. They give you a gift basket when you first come. All you gotta do is have a high school diploma, 1 to 2 years of experience in leaves, claims, or customer service. So as long as you have 1 to 2 years in that customer service role, you should be good. The interview process was easy. Everything was pretty easy. And this is a really good company to work for. So if I were you, I would definitely apply to Lincoln Financial for their short-term disability claims specialist.
Stop scrolling. This is a paid internship and you have a global work experience. Do I also need to tell you that this internship is 100% fully remote? You are not leaving the comfort of your house. Kotani is actually hiring people that have skills in cloud development, front-end development, database, data management. And do I need to tell you that they are going to be paying you a stipend of $500 per month? I know this is a big deal for my African brothers and sisters. You can apply directly on their website, which is Kotani Pay, or if you want the direct link, comment in the comment section Kotani internship, and I'm going to send you the direct link to actually apply. The internship duration is going to be between August to October, but if you're a potential great candidates, you did very well during the internship, it will be extended to January 2026. And also you are going to be working Monday to Friday, and they will be paying you monthly $500 per month as an intern. This is a paid remote internship opportunity. Make sure you follow me, like, share, save for later, and comment in the comment section Kotani.
These 3 hustles pay without you posting, selling anything, talking to anybody, begging, or any of that. You don't need a following or a brand to get started with any one of these hustles. Number 1 is lost luggage courier. Airports will literally pay you to pick up people's lost luggages and return them back to them. Number 2 is online group moderator. People will literally pay you to be hall monitors in their groups just to make sure that their groups are moving smoothly. This is no face, no case. Number 3, Amazon parcel return. You're literally getting paid to pick up people Amazon returns and drop them back off at the bins, the stores, wherever they're going. You don't need to start a business with this, no LLC, no branding, no following, no going viral. I have all of the steps that you need to be successful in getting
Side hustles I wish I knew sooner, and this is for the broken lazy. Let's get it. First, you're going to want to go to Amazon.com. In the search bar, you're going to want to type in journals. On the next page, you're going to see all the options they have for journals. So now you just find yourself a journal. I'm going to click on this one. So we see that this journal is selling for $6.99, and we had 28,451 people that actually bought this product. Multiply that together, this person nearly made $200,000 from uploading this journal. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, you're going to head over to canva.com and set up an account for free. Then once you create an account, you're going to go ahead and create a design, and you're going to type in journals and click on the first option. So once you get to this page, you're going to be able to see all the templates that you could possibly choose from. The pro ones are the ones that you have to pay for if you have a pro account, but typically most of them are free. Now for an example, I'm just going to use this one over here. So this is going to be your cover page, and then you just hit add page below. And then guys, this is really simple. All you do is just find a page that you like, click on it, and then drag it over. Now let's just say that you want 100 of these pages here. You're just going to go up here to duplicate page and just click that as many times as you want until you get to 100. To finish, you're just going to click share, and then you want to hit download. And then you're just going to download it at whatever file type you want. Now you're going to head over to Amazon KDP. And as you can see here, they will publish your books for free. And you can make up to 70% royalty on sales. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says learn how easy it is. And then there you go. This is where you go and get your book created. Cool thing about this is Amazon's going to print and ship your product for free, so you don't have to worry about any of that. And if you need some extra help, at the bottom of the Amazon KDP page, they have all these tutorials that will show you how to do this. All you have to do is sit back and collect the difference. Make sure you like and follow for more.